Thank you
and
very
enjoy
much,
the rest of the day. Thanks so much.
Thank
Brilliant.
you. Cheers.
Let's come to Alan. Alan, hello, how are you?
Good morning, Simon. Yes.
How are you doing, Alan?
Yeah, very good, thanks. And I see that you're having a brilliant SIL.
I know you're often at these events, but I hear you got the rest of the team there watching.
I have, yeah. I'm glad you picked up
Awesome.
on that. Anna Lipcheva is there, my business partner, and Tom Cross and Lawrence Jenner, who we're working with. It's not all of our team, but that's part of our team. But to get to the point, we're doing a vendor finance project in Bodmin in Cornwall. This is the closed down nursing home, which is our flagship project, 13 flats conversion from a 12,000 square foot building. And we're only putting £1,000 down as a deposit.
I know, it's an amazing deal.
Yeah, it is. And what we want to do is we want to secure the pipeline project. So we've got another one in Loo in Cornwall, which is a new development. And then we've got others, one in Southampton, another one in Wiltshire, another one in Somerset. So what we really need, I think, is to get access to SSAS funds, because this is a socially responsible strategy. Nobody loses out of it. It's totally a win-win solution for everybody. So there should be no reason why SSAS funds shouldn't be made available to us with the right returns, of course, for investors. Do you have any suggestions? I know we've spoken about this sort of thing before.
A couple of things. So first of all, Alan, and you're absolutely right. So the strategy for everyone else's benefit is specialised supported housing. It's one of my projects I'm working on, and I know obviously you're very involved in that, Alan, and finding some amazing projects. So guys, if you want to learn about this, you've got some funds, you should probably speak to Alan direct anyway, and maybe look over his shoulder and do a lend and learn opportunity. That's something for you. But yes, Alan, there are SSAS group meetings around the country. It's a bit like PIN meetings. I'm not sure if they're every month, but every couple of months. I think there's one down in Bristol, which is probably a bit closer to you. There's one in Manchester, probably London. And so you could Google those and go to those. And there's opportunities to present at those and say what you're doing. And what you're doing is SSASable because it's a commercial project. There are some restrictions what people can lend to. I don't know if I should really say much about this, Alan. But all I will say is because of exactly this, Alan, I am working on putting something together. And it may happen this year. It may not happen until next year, to be honest. But I'm working on putting together a group of people who have SSAS funds. And those people with SSASs, they often have a bit of a problem, right? And the problem is they might meet someone like you at a network meeting who's got a great project, and you might need, I don't know, a couple of £100,000, and they can do their due diligence research, etc. But there's still a big risk for them to put all of their money in with just one person like you, even though you absolutely know what you're doing, right? And so what I'm trying to do is at some point in the future, let's say maybe next year, create a group of people who've got a SSAS. And when you have a SSAS, you could borrow 50% back, but the other 50% often is not utilised as it should be. So I'm trying to put together a group of high net worth individuals who have SSASs, and we meet each month. And the idea is it's not a training program. It's not teach about property, but it's about, let's say one of them met you, Alan, at a meeting. You could come to this group, you could present to this group, and myself and probably Andrew Hall from Crowd Property will independently assess these projects and say, yes, we think it's a good project, or actually, I'm not so sure about it. And it's not just the project, it's the people doing the project as well, right? Because you could have a really good project, if you don't have the right team, they're not going to deliver it, right?
Absolutely,
And so the person who brought you to the meeting might say, I want to invest, but actually we can then syndicate it amongst the other people. So instead of someone having to put a couple of 100,000 in, that these projects sometimes they might just put 30,000 in and spread it up. So they're spreading their risk, and they can then diversify and do a lot more investments. And it would be probably at a higher interest rate. Probably higher than bridging, because it's a second charge mezzanine finance, but much cheaper than you doing a joint venture where you're giving away 50% of the profits.
Sure.
So you're on my list of people who I would definitely get in, because I think you've got some great projects when that's there. But there are a few things I need to sort out to work out when that's going to happen.
Of course,
That's going to be a solution for people like you who've got really commercial style, but ones that are accessible,
Yeah.
that hopefully you want to support. But in the meantime, Alan, get out to do some Googling, find some local SSAS meetings.
Yes, yeah.
And rather than just going along, you could actually maybe arrange to go and present,
Yes.
to demonstrate your incredible expertise in
Yeah.
the industry.
Yeah.
And there might be people there who want to come and work with you. That's my
I
suggestion.
have got contact with the SSAS group, but I'll make contact with others
Yes,
as
so
well.
Doug runs that,
Yeah.
yes, and I think that's
Doug
kind of down
James,
Bristol
yeah.
way as well, actually, yeah.
And,
but there are others around the country, yeah.
Yeah, and we're also making a presentation to a US investment fund. We got through the first hurdle, and we're just waiting for the decision maker to let us know whether he's going to back us or not. But this would be for the whole program, so this wouldn't be just a few projects. This would be like for 36 projects. So I'll keep you posted on that. But
Yeah,
really
appreciate
appreciate.
a lot of work to get in, but if you can get that, that's one solution that probably solves all the problems, right? So that's
It
amazing. Let me
would,
know how that
yes,
goes.
yeah. But really appreciate your time, and it's been a great event, and I'll be watching
Great.
online. Thank you, Simon.
Well, that's what we're here for, Alan. And I just want to. By the way, I just want, if people don't know, Alan's a very successful property developer. He's got a lot of experience in the area. He's done our Mastermind Accelerator, done our Mastermind on our Next Level program. The thing I love, Alan, even though you're pretty successful, you keep turning up to learn. You keep and you're great contributing to the group as well. And that's why you're successful, Alan, because you keep on recognizing you can always learn more, you can always get better, you surround yourself with like-minded people. So I want to congratulate you and thank you for being here and participating, right? And Alan, just a question I'd like to ask you, because obviously there are people here who the next step for them might be